Did you know that artificial intelligence may be changing the way you manage your money without you even realizing it? Imagine using a tool that analyzes the markets, identifies the best investment opportunities, approves loans instantly, and even suggests how to plan your retirement, all while you sleep. It sounds like something out of the future, but it's a reality today. In today's video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing the world of finance, from investments to personal credit, and what you need to know to keep up. Stay until the end to discover how to apply these new tools in your daily life and improve your financial decisions. If you want to stay updated on the latest trends in finance and investments, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This helps us continue bringing you more content like this. AI in the global financial market. Artificial intelligence is already being widely used in major financial centers around the world. Companies and investors are utilizing AI to analyze vast amounts of data in fractions of a second, detecting patterns and trends that would be impossible for a human to identify. AI tools, such as automated trading algorithms, can execute complex operations with high precision, taking advantage of micro-variations in the market. This means that AI is shaping the future of investments, enabling faster and more accurate decisions. Additionally, the rise of robo-advisors is transforming the way people invest. These platforms use AI algorithms to create personalized investment portfolios based on the user's risk profile, optimizing returns. This democratizes access to investment strategies that were once exclusive to large players, opening new opportunities for small investors. AI in personal finance. AI is also revolutionizing personal finance. AI-based budgeting apps can automatically track and categorize spending, as well as suggest ways to save and invest more efficiently. These systems monitor user behavior, creating detailed analyses of their financial habits and offering personalized recommendations. For those looking for a practical way to stay on top of their finances, these tools are true allies. The use of these apps is growing, especially with the popularity of digital banks that integrate AI to simplify financial management. By using these apps, individuals gain clear insights into their spending and saving patterns, with practical suggestions for improving their financial health. You no longer need to have deep financial knowledge. AI does the heavy lifting, allowing anyone to have complete control over their money. Opportunities and risks with AI. With the rise of AI in the financial sector, great opportunities arise, but so do new risks. One of the biggest advantages is that AI enables data-driven decisions and deep analysis, which can enhance gains and minimize human errors. AI tools, like algorithmic trading platforms, allow investors of all levels to access advanced investment strategies with surgical precision. This enables investors with little technical knowledge to seize the best market opportunities. However, risks also exist. One of the primary challenges is data security. AI collects vast amounts of personal and financial information, and in some cases, these tools can be vulnerable to cyber attacks. There's also an increasing dependence on technology, which can leave many investors in the dark if these tools fail. Therefore, it's important to be aware of both the opportunities and risks when incorporating AI into your financial routine. The future of AI in finance and investments. The future of artificial intelligence in the financial world looks promising. In the coming years, we'll see greater integration of AI in various areas, from personal financial planning tools to high-frequency trading platforms. Experts predict that the use of AI will become an essential part of the capital markets, where algorithms may predict market movements with even greater accuracy. Those who can leverage these tools to their advantage will have a significant edge. At the same time, AI also promises to increase financial inclusion, making services more accessible to individuals in underserved regions, such as rural areas. With AI, these individuals will be able to access banking and investment services more efficiently and at lower costs. This has the potential to transform the financial lives of millions of people around the world. how AI is revolutionizing lending and personal credit. In recent years, artificial intelligence has been playing a crucial role in lending and personal loans. Traditionally, banks and financial institutions assess loan applications based on a limited set of data, such as credit history and income. However, with AI, these assessments can now take into account a much larger amount of information, including online behavior, credit card usage, and even predictive analytics to estimate future payment capacity. This allows for more accurate, quicker, and more inclusive credit analysis, opening doors for individuals who would otherwise struggle to obtain credit. The use of AI in credit processes is rapidly growing, especially with the rise of fintechs. These financial startups use AI to process loan applications almost instantly, making approvals quicker and more efficient. As a result, AI helps identify potential fraud and mitigate risks, ensuring a secure operation for both the lender and the consumer. This technology is allowing individuals with little or no credit history to access financing, promoting unprecedented financial inclusion. How AI is making long-term financial planning easier. One of the biggest financial challenges for many individuals is long-term planning, especially for retirement and larger financial goals like buying a house or paying for children's education. AI, through advanced algorithms, is making this process easier and more accessible for the general public. AI-based financial planning tools can calculate how much you need to save, where to invest, and how to diversify your investments based on your life goals, risk profile, and current financial situation. These tools are also dynamic, adjusting plans as market changes or personal financial situations arise. AI is helping people better prepare for the future. Financial planning apps and platforms offer simulations of different economic scenarios and help identify long-term investment opportunities. AI allows users to adjust their strategies according to new priorities, offering personalized and automated recommendations. This reduces the complexity of financial planning and enables more people to make informed and effective decisions to secure their financial futures. How to use AI to your advantage. Now that you understand the impact of AI on finance, the question is, how can you use these tools in your daily life to improve your financial situation? The first step is to explore financial tracking apps that use AI. They can automate expense tracking and create detailed financial plans based on your goals. Another tip is to consider using robo-advisors for your investments. If you struggle with picking stocks or understanding the financial market, these robots can do that for you, assembling balanced portfolios according to your risk profile. With these tools, even those with little time or knowledge about the market can start investing intelligently and strategically. Artificial intelligence is transforming the financial market in various ways, from investment management to lending and long-term planning. The most important aspect is how these tools can help you make better decisions with your money. From personal finance management to more accessible investments and loans, AI offers unprecedented opportunities. So, are you already using any of these tools? Let us know in the comments which one you find most interesting, and subscribe so you don't miss any content that will help you improve your financial life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more inspiring content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share. Until next time, may your ideas become great achievements.